Ever wonder about hidden truths, like a secret waiting to be discovered? Well, there is one. It's inside a book called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This book talks about a powerful idea, a universal truth, called the law of attraction. The Secret helps you understand this force, use its power, and become the boss of your own life. Ready for this journey? Open your mind, think about what's possible, and enter a world where your thoughts make your reality. The Secret is more than a book, it's huge! People all over the world from all different backgrounds love it. It's gotten people talking, doing new things, and wanting better lives. The Secret started a movement, helping us realize the power we all have inside. Imagine controlling your life where your thoughts are strong enough to shape what happens to you. That's what The Secret is all about. It shows you the amazing power you have, the power to make your wishes come true and create a life full of happiness and meaning. We're always creating our reality with our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. It's about matching your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you want, making a super strong force to make things happen. Use this power, make it stronger, and see how your life changes in amazing ways. The Secret has a very old idea at its center, the law of attraction. This law says that similar things attract each other. Our thoughts and feelings send out signals that bring similar experiences into our lives. Good thoughts attract good things, and bad thoughts attract things we don't want. Use this idea, it can change your life. The law of attraction shows how strong positive thinking can be. It's about changing how we see things, looking for the good and being thankful. Good thoughts, when we care for them, grow into great things. Be like a gardener for your mind, carefully growing good thoughts. It's about moving from fear and thinking there's not enough to a place of love, plenty, and endless possibilities. Use your thoughts wisely to create a life full of joy, meaning, and happiness. The law of attraction isn't magic, it's how you live. It's about using its ideas in what you do every day. Start by noticing your thoughts. Challenge bad thoughts and change them to positive ones. Spend time with positive people, books, music, and places that make you feel good. Use the law of attraction to learn about yourself and grow. The law of attraction takes effort. First, know exactly what you want. Like ordering food, you say what you want. The universe is waiting for your order. Dream big, bigger than you ever have before. Ask confidently, knowing the universe hears you and is working to make it happen. Believe the seed of faith. Asking is just the start. Next is to believe, to have strong faith that what you want is coming to you. Like planting a seed, you trust it will grow. So, trust your wish, act like you already have it. Know deep down that what you want is already yours, and act that way. Receive, embracing the flow. The last step is to receive. Be ready for the good things coming your way. Like a river flowing to the ocean, it doesn't fight the current. Be like the river, let the universe guide you. Trust that your wishes are coming at the right time, and be thankful. Aligning your actions. The law of attraction is about thoughts and beliefs, but doing things is important too. Wishing isn't enough. You must work towards your goals. Notice signs, take chances, and do things that match your goals. Trust your gut, follow your passions, and be brave. Step outside your comfort zone, try new things, and watch your dreams come true. Visualization. Painting your dreams into reality. Visualization is like painting a picture in your mind of what you want. Use all your senses to make it feel real, so real that your mind believes you already have it. The more details, the more real it feels. Visualization isn't about ignoring reality, it's about shaping it. Do it every day, feeling happy and thankful as if your wishes are already real. Gratitude. Shifting your frequency, attracting abundance. Gratitude is like a tuning fork that changes your energy to one of plenty, joy, and thankfulness. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you attract more good things. Write down things you're thankful for. Tell others how much they mean to you. Focus on gratitude and see how your life changes. Section 3. Affirmations, reprogramming your subconscious mind. This section will guide you through the transformative power of affirmations and how they can rewire your subconscious mind for success and happiness. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden, ready for your thoughts. Just like a garden, it needs to be nurtured and cared for. The thoughts you plant in this garden will grow and shape your reality. If you plant positive, empowering thoughts, you will cultivate a life filled with positivity and success. Affirmations are positive sentences that plant powerful beliefs and replace negative thoughts holding you back. They are like seeds that, when planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, grow into strong, positive beliefs. These beliefs then influence your actions and decisions, leading you towards your goals. They are the words you tell yourself, shaping how you see yourself and the world. When you look in the mirror and repeat affirmations, you are reinforcing these positive beliefs. Over time, these beliefs become a part of your identity, changing how you perceive yourself and your capabilities. By repeating affirmations strongly, you change your subconscious mind, matching your beliefs with your wishes. This practice helps to align your inner thoughts with your outer goals, creating a powerful synergy that propels you towards success. Meditation can also enhance this process by calming your mind and making it more receptive to positive suggestions. Choose affirmations that fit your goals. Be specific and intentional with your words. For example, if you want to improve your health, you might say, "I am healthy, strong, and full of energy." Writing down your goals and affirmations helps to solidify them in your mind, making them more real and attainable. If you want wealth, say, "I attract wealth easily." Visualize yourself living a life of abundance and prosperity. Imagine the feelings of joy and security that come with financial freedom. The more vividly you can picture this, the more powerful your affirmations will be. If you want love, say, "I am worthy of love, and I attract a loving relationship." Picture yourself in a happy, fulfilling relationship. Feel the love and connection as if it is already happening. This emotional connection strengthens your affirmations, making them more effective. Choose affirmations that feel right, even if you don't fully believe them yet. It's normal to feel some resistance at first, but with consistent practice, these affirmations will start to feel more natural. Trust the process and be patient with yourself. Repeat them daily, maybe in front of a mirror, looking into your eyes. This practice helps to reinforce the positive beliefs and makes them a part of your daily routine. The more you repeat them, the stronger they become. Feel the emotions as if it's already true. Emotions are a powerful tool in reprogramming your subconscious mind. When you feel the emotions associated with your affirmations, you are sending a strong signal to your subconscious that these beliefs are real and important. The more you repeat them, the more your mind believes them, making your wishes come true. Your words are powerful. They have the ability to shape your reality and create the life you desire. Believe in the power of your words and use them wisely. Use positive words and watch your life change. Embrace the power of affirmations and let them guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Your journey to reprogramming your subconscious mind starts now. Section 4. The Power of Vision Boards. A visual symphony of desires. Imagine a collage of exciting pictures, each showing a dream, a hope, a vision for your future. Vision boards are strong tools reminding you of your goals and inspiring you to make them happen. They show your wishes, like a beautiful collection of pictures that inspire you. Find magazines, photos, quotes, anything that matches your vision. Cut out pictures that make you happy and excited. Arrange them on a board, letting your feelings guide you. Put your vision board where you'll see it every day. Each time you look at it, imagine yourself living those dreams, feeling the emotions as if they're already real. This makes your wishes stronger. Your vision board is alive. Update it with new pictures as your dreams change, and watch your life transform. Imagine traveling to the future where your dreams are real. Picture yourself in a world where everything you have ever desired is already yours. The feeling of accomplishment, joy, and peace washes over you as you stand in this future reality. Living in the wish fulfilled is about feeling like you already have what you want, even before it happens. It's about embodying the emotions and mindset of someone who has already achieved their dreams. This practice isn't just about positive thinking, it's about creating a deep, emotional connection to your desired future. It's about changing your mindset from wanting to being thankful and happy, as if your dreams are already true. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, you start to see the world differently. You begin to notice opportunities and possibilities that you might have overlooked before. How would you feel if you already had your dream home, job, or relationship? Imagine the joy of walking through the door of your dream home, the pride of receiving a promotion at work, or the love and connection in a fulfilling relationship. These feelings are powerful and transformative. Would you feel peaceful, joyful, thankful, or excited? These emotions are the key to unlocking your desired reality. By feeling these emotions now, you align yourself with the energy of your dreams. Feel those feelings now, as if your wishes are already yours. Close your eyes and visualize your dreams coming true. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, and the peace that comes with knowing that what you desire is already on its way to you. Act like you already have what you want. Carry yourself with the confidence and assurance of someone who has already achieved their goals. This isn't about pretending, it's about embodying the energy of your future self. Dress for your dream job. Wear clothes that make you feel powerful and successful. When you look the part, you start to feel the part, and others will begin to see you that way too. Speak as if you already know that language. Practice speaking with confidence and fluency, even if you're still learning. The more you act like you already know it, the faster you'll learn and the more natural it will feel. Be confident like someone already living their best life. Confidence is magnetic and attracts opportunities. When you believe in yourself, others will too. This change in energy tells the universe what you want, making things happen faster. Your thoughts and feelings are powerful signals that attract similar energy. By aligning your energy with your desires, you create a powerful force that draws your dreams to you. The universe responds to your energy. When you radiate positivity, gratitude, and confidence, the universe mirrors that back to you. It's a dance of energy that brings your dreams into reality. Feel like you have it now, and watch your reality change. Embrace the emotions of your fulfilled wishes and let them guide your actions. As you live in the wish fulfilled, you'll find that your dreams start to manifest in ways you never imagined. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's not about wishing on a star and getting what you want instantly. It takes time. It's a journey of learning about yourself, growing, and changing. It's about matching your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you want, and then trusting the universe's timing. You might have doubts, face challenges, or feel impatient. That's okay, it's part of the journey. Even the biggest tree starts as a tiny seed. It takes time, care, and strong faith to grow. Your dreams might take time too. There might be problems, lessons to learn, and changes to make. See these challenges as chances to grow, knowing each step gets you closer. Trust the process, be patient, and never give up on your dreams. The secret reminds us that we're not just watching our lives happen. We are active participants in the grand play of existence. Every thought we think, every belief we hold, and every action we take shapes the reality we experience. It's a profound realization that we are not mere spectators but powerful creators of our own destiny. We're powerful creators, shaping our reality with our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. When we write down our dreams and aspirations, we give them a form, a tangible existence. Meditation helps us connect with our inner selves, aligning our energy with the universe. These practices are not just rituals, they are tools that empower us to manifest our deepest desires. We can choose our thoughts, feel good emotions, and work towards our goals. When we smile, we radiate positivity, attracting more of it into our lives. Physical activities like jogging not only keep us fit but also clear our minds, making space for new ideas and inspirations. Every step we take, every smile we share, brings us closer to our dreams. Use this power. It's yours. Stand tall, embrace the vastness of nature, and walk confidently through the hustle and bustle of life. Your power is not limited by your surroundings, it is amplified by your belief in it. The world is your playground, and you have the strength to navigate it with grace and confidence. You're not a victim, you're in charge of your life. Stand strong, break through the barriers that hold you back. These barriers are often self-imposed, born out of fear and doubt. But remember, you have the power to overcome them. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. Dream big, bigger than you ever thought possible. When you look at the stars, you realize the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Standing at the edge of a cliff, you see the vast expanse of opportunities waiting for you. Your dreams are not limited by your current circumstances. They are as boundless as the universe itself. The universe is generous and can give you more than you imagine. Open your arms wide to receive its blessings. Every gift you receive, every moment of joy, is a testament to the universe's abundance. Believe that you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and they will come to you in ways you never expected. But you have to start. Plant the seed of your desire and believe in it. Just like a seed needs nurturing to grow, your dreams need your faith and effort. Visualize your goals, create a vision board, and keep your focus on what you want to achieve. The more you nurture your dreams, the more they will flourish. You have everything you need to create a life full of joy, abundance, and purpose. Contentment comes from within, and when you stand in a field of flowers, you realize the beauty of life. Your purpose is not something you find, it's something you create. Every moment of joy, every act of kindness, adds to the richness of your life. It might not be easy, but it will be worth it. Climbing a steep mountain trail requires effort and determination, but the view from the top is breathtaking. Crossing the finish line after a long race fills you with a sense of accomplishment. The journey may be challenging, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So use your power, try new things, and watch your life change in amazing ways. Experiment with new activities, explore new paths, and plan your journey with excitement. The more you step out of your comfort zone, the more you discover about yourself and the world around you. Your life is a canvas, and you are the artist. The universe is helping you, guiding you, and making your dreams come true. Look up at the sky and smile, knowing that you are not alone. Follow the path that feels right to you, and trust that the universe is guiding you every step of the way. Your dreams are within reach, and the universe is conspiring to make them a reality. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and never stop creating the life you want. Meditation brings clarity and peace, helping you trust the process. Walk confidently towards your horizon, knowing that every step you take is a step towards your dreams. Believe in yourself, and never stop creating the life you want. The power is within you. The Secret isn't just a book. It's an invitation to an amazing adventure, a journey of self-discovery, feeling powerful, and becoming your best self. It's about using the law of attraction, understanding that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. It's about matching your energy with what you want, being thankful, and working towards your goals. The journey might have ups and downs, but it's worth it. You're not alone. The universe is helping you, guiding you, and making your dreams real. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. Your journey starts now. Take the first step and be amazed as the universe unfolds before you, showing you a life more amazing than you ever imagined.